Hello, my name is Alima. I am Mr. Simpson's second period class. I work on tech tips and I also work on yearbook. This trimester I have been switching on and off from yearbook and tech tips. Kind of like 1 week I work on yearbook, 1 week I work on tech tips. I can honestly say that I am very happy with our work in the tech tips. We covered a lot of stuff. I learned a lot of new stuff. Not only was I teaching other people, I was also learning myself. And I also learned a lot of movie skills, while we were making the videos, I learned a lot of editing techniques and how things work best and like shortcuts on how to make them look better in a faster manner. Yearbook, I can say that we really did, we're at a much better pace than yearbook was last year. We're way ahead. We won't be turning in the final version of it into the next year. I think we'll be done by this year. The only thing that we did have the same problem as last year is that we didn't have as much pictures, but I think we will be able to manage that out. Something that I am pretty excited about is that I will be head editor of the yearbook next year. I will be the one in charge. This year it was Kelsey Reitmer. She helped us out managing. She already knew the Jostens techniques on how to make the yearbook, and she really helped us out, and next year that'll be me. I will be assigning everybody what should be done and just making sure that everything gets done on task and on time, so that we can possibly turn it in earlier next year and maybe have it in before the end of the year, unlike how it usually is into the next trimester of the next year. I really hope that I can have a similar experience next year as I did this year. Hopefully I have Mr. Simpson again for a class. I really enjoyed having this class. As I mentioned before, I learned a lot of new things, and possibly I'll learn even more next year.